Good evening from the top of the world. I hope you all are doing absolutely well, and if you're thinking about me, I'm doing good as well. In this video, I'll teach you guys how to see captain on your fantasy Premier League because captains are very important member of your team because they multiply your points, and it is really important to select your captain, and it is more important to know how to see your captain on FPL. So at first you must go into your FPL or your PL Premier League app, and after you are there you go into fantasy right here. You know that, I know. And after you are here, you can go to the peak team, which will be at the top section right here. So after you click on that, you'll see many options, and which one is your captain? The C, wherever it's written C, that is your captain, and the vice captain will be written V, and you can change this at any game week for free. So if you click on one of these and you click on captain, then you can see that Kane has become captain and it is not Mitrovic my captain. You can even change your vice captain as like this, and you can make Mitrovic captain again, and you can make him vice captain again. So to confirm all of these, you must click on confirm, and your team will be set, and your captain and vice captain will be changed. And this is how you see and change your captain and vice captain on FPL or Fantasy Premier League. So this is how you change your captains, and if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.